Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about flickapply.com, a site that claims you can make money by completing simple online tasks. But is this platform actually legit or is it just another scam hiding behind fake promises? Quick disclaimer before we begin, all the information shared in this video is based on online research and personal opinion. FlickSupply or flickapply.com looks sleek and convincing. It promotes a task based earning system where users supposedly get paid to review products, watch videos, or help merchants. But the deeper you look, the more red flags start to show. Reddit users have identified it, along with similar sites like flicksreview.com and flicksea or enroll.com as part of a task scam network. Here's how it typically works. You're shown fake earnings as you do simple tasks. After some time, you're allowed to withdraw a small amount, just enough to gain your trust. Then, they ask you to invest money to access premium or lucky tasks. Once you try to withdraw again, they hit you with surprise fees like tax or service charges, which must be paid up front. Eventually, your account is frozen, your money is gone, and there is no customer support in sight. On Trustpilot, Flix related services get slammed with poor reviews, including complaints about unreliable waste management services and zero follow up from their support team. So, is flickapply.com a real platform? In our opinion, no, it looks like a well disguised scam. The promise of easy money through simple tasks is a classic bait. And if a platform asks you for money before letting you withdraw earnings, that's a huge red flag. And that's it for today's review. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.